In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an active contact list with automatic filtering. We're going to walk through the process of building a list that updates itself based on the conditions you choose. This is especially useful when you want your contact list to stay current without needing to manually add or remove people over time. Once it's set up correctly, the system will handle those updates for you in the background. To begin, go to the contacts area in your system and then open lists from within that section. This is where all of your saved contact lists are managed, including both static and dynamic versions. Taking a moment to start in the right place makes the rest of the setup much smoother. Once you're inside the list view, look toward the right side of the screen for the orange Create List option and click it. This will open the list creation workflow where you'll choose the type of list you want to build. If you have several options available, make sure you're selecting the one intended for contacts rather than another object type. Next, choose the contact-based active list option. This setting is important because an active list updates automatically whenever a contact starts matching or stops matching the rules you define. In other words, you're not creating a one-time snapshot. You're creating a live segment that stays accurate as contact data changes. After that, add your filter combination. For example, you might set lifecycle stage to equals customer and then add another condition where last activity is less than 30 days. Using a combination like this helps narrow the list to contacts who are not only customers, but also recently engaged. Be careful as you add filters to make sure each condition reflects exactly the audience you want. Even small differences in wording or logic can affect who appears on the list. When your filters are in place, save the list. At that point, the system will begin managing subscriber adjustments automatically based on the rules you selected. That means if a contact matches the conditions later, they'll be added, and if they no longer qualify, they'll be removed. This kind of list is a powerful way to keep your reporting, outreach, and segmentation organized without manual maintenance. Once saved, you can return to the list anytime to review or refine the filters if your goals change.